Hey everyone, I've got a brand new idea for the Smart Home UK channel, and I'd love your help to make it happen. Do you have a smart home gadget that's driving you insane? Maybe it never worked properly? Or perhaps it used to work perfectly but suddenly stopped? If you were happy to send it to me, I'll put it to the test, investigate the problem, troubleshoot any issues, and find out whether it's truly a lost cause, or if it deserves a second chance. If you'd like to take part, simply send me an email or leave a comment below this video with your email address. I'll get in touch and provide you with instructions on how to send it to me. Who knows? Your gadget could become the star of my next video. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you've got.